Today we are going to discuss on the topic common roots of the two quadratic equations. Let us suppose that we have two quadratic equations like as and here a1 a2 is not equal to 0. There is a sufficient condition. There are two conditions. First one is that there are two conditions that when the both roots are equal or when one root is common. First one is when both roots are equal in both equations. If both roots are equal in both equations 1 and 2, then there is a condition that a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. It means that the ratio of the coefficients of the term x square and the coefficients of x and the constant term are equal. Similarly, the second condition is when one root is common. When let alpha be the common roots in the both equation. If alpha be the common roots in the both equation, then definitely it will satisfy the both equation. And from first and second, we can find the value of alpha as by using the cross multiplication method as alpha square upon b1 b2 c1 c2. Similarly, alpha upon c1 c2 a1 a2 and 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2, and we have to cross multiply by b1 to c2 b2 to c1 and c1 to a2. Similarly like this, and we get alpha upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 and alpha upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we can find the value of alpha as b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. We can generate a relationship from there as c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 into a1b2 minus b1a2. Now we are going to discuss some example based on the common roots. Example for which value of k will the quadratic equation x square minus kx minus 21 equal to 0 and x square minus 3kx plus 35 equal to 0 have one common root. Solution: let us take a common root between the both equations, that alpha. Let alpha be the common root. Then alpha square upon minus k minus 3k minus 21 35 and alpha upon minus 21 minus 35 1 1 and 1 upon minus k minus 3k. Here we choose here the coefficient of x and the constant term, and again the constant term and the coefficient of x square, and again here the coefficient of x square and then the constant term. Here we are using the cross multiplication method. We find that minus 35k minus 63k and alpha upon minus 21 minus 35. Similarly 1 upon minus 3k plus, and here we get alpha square upon minus 98k and alpha upon minus 56 upon minus 2. So here we get the value of k as, firstly we find the relationship in the terms of k of alpha as so we can equate these two constant ratios and we get k square equal to 16, or we can say that k equal to plus minus 4. This is our final answer. Now let us discuss on the x square minus ex, x square plus ex plus 10 equal to 0 and x square plus bx minus 10 equal to 0 have a common root. Then we have to find the value of a square minus b square. Let alpha be the common root of the both equations, then alpha square upon AB 10 minus 10, similarly alpha upon 10 minus 10, 1 and 1, 1 upon 1 1 AB. Here we again using the method of cross multiplication to find the value of alpha and to establish the relationship between the A and B. Alpha square upon minus t 10A minus 10B and alpha upon 10A plus 10 sorry 10 plus 10, 1 upon B minus A. We can further solve it as here we can find the value of alpha as we get minus of A plus B equal to 40 upon minus of A minus B. We can get the relationship A square minus B square equal to 40.